Okay, we're just waiting a few minutes here to build up some pressure in the Jensen boiler, which is my steam source for most small engines. This will be the first attempted steam up of a rather rare Bing twin oscillator engine I recently acquired. It originally was part of an entire plant. All I got was the engine and a boiler that is not original to the engine. Looks like it's going to go any minute here. Someone apparently added the little drip tray in the center there and customized the exhaust tubing to accommodate that. Oh, there we go. So this engine is about 115 years old, and I know it was steamed up once about 30 years ago. I got it with a boiler that was not original to the Bing plant. It's a gasoline or alcohol burner, and I'm afraid to try it, although I know the fellow I got it from fired this engine with that boiler and that burner, but since I have this nice Jensen boiler, I just felt that was a lot safer. So there we go, not bad for first run.